You have been performing a passive site survey with the AirMapper app on your AirCheck G3. And hey, you have been wondering if there is a way to not only look at the heat map on the screen while you're doing the survey, but also see the live signal strength of the APs in the area. Or hey, maybe you were just wondering if there's a way to have two apps open at the same time on the screen. And well, reality is there is. And the way it works is pretty straightforward. First, tap on the square icon on the lower right of the screen. Then select the app or find the app that you want on the top of the screen and tap and hold on its icon. If you do that, you'll be given two options, App Info and Split Screen. Select Split Screen, and now you'll be given the option to select the second app that you want to show on the screen at the same time. Let's say, for example, I want to just show the Wi-Fi app, which will allow me to see the live signal strength of the APs in the area as I'm performing my site survey. And there you go. Now you have two apps at the same time, and you can like zoom in with your AirMapper app, or you could scroll through the list of APs and look at the signal strength live. And well, that's it, guys. Quick and simple. Thank you for watching.